Hello everyone, welcome back to Weekend Outing channel. Today we are going to visit the ISKCON temple, which is in the Northern Ireland, and it is really very beautiful. Lot of people are already over here. Now we are just waiting for a ferry to come so that it can take us to the Inishrat, which is the island and where the temple is being located. The ferry will drop you over here, and this is the island. Now this is the start point where you will walk and reach the temple. We can see various beautiful portraits of Sri Krishna here, and it's Sunday today. There are a lot of people who are visiting, and if you want to come over here, it's basically like you have to pre-book the tickets, you have to pre-book the ferry, and it will cost you 11 euros per person, and in that you will even get the lunch. Now they also have the itinerary, which starts basically from 11, like half 11 to half 4, and the last ferry will leave from this island at half 4. ISKCON got this island in 1980s, and from that time the Hare Krishna temple is here, and and there are a lot of things, like there is a Mansi Ganga, there is even the place where the cows are being kept. This is Govardhana, when Sri Krishna got the mountain lifted on his little finger. This is 22 acres of lands, and there is already the kirtan and various activities going on. You can even go on their website, check out which day you're going and is there any other functions going on.
My mother used to say, first God, then God, then God, then the others, and the others, and the others, and then yourself. That is perfect rule for everybody. Right? She was pious woman, she used to go on a bicycle 7 times a week to church. And so I inherited that somehow from the mother. That sort of emotions, spiritual emotions, you inherit from the mother. Emotions come from the mother. And so this is an emotion that we are here to find God some other.
We got a chance to attend the Aarti as well as the Kirtan, and it was very beautiful. I would suggest that everyone should come and have the spiritual knowledge. That's so beautiful. So they might get scared. They might get scared. Oh my God, we saw them running. We are just going to go for the parikrama, which is the forest walk. If you see, it is a replica of the Vrindavan, this walk, and it has the 12 forests in the form of a lotus. So this is the start of the forest walk. If you want to come on this island and do the camping, it's absolutely fine. The area behind me is the camping spot where you can stay overnight and just enjoy. Throughout the forest walk, there are the Krishna's pastimes which are being portrayed here on the board. You can have a look, read the story behind it and enjoy it. The devotees over here chants the Krishna's name throughout the day. But if you specifically want to come for the Aarti and the Kirtan, then do come at the specific time allotted by them. There is a prasadam which is going to be served in a couple of minutes and we are going to enjoy them.
На каждое
कितनी सुंदर है. We really had a great time today, and the amount of time you spend here is really fantastic. You don't feel that you're rushing into the things. You want to see this, you want to do the Aarti and Kirtan. So everyone is already scheduled on the scheduled time. And one thing I would like to say is that regarding the parking, this is on the island. So when you park your car, it's on the other side. The space are very limited. So try to come like 15 to 20 minutes earlier so you can get the spot there. I hope you like watching this video, so please hit the like and the subscribe button to our channel.